I got here, I understood the men before me. They built the Dallas Cowboys. They made this America's team. They put a championship on the table before I got here. My job while I was here is to match what they have done to us. They built it. They handed it to me. Put my damn championship on the table. That's all we ask. Put your damn championship on the table, and you couldn't do it. All their asses gotta go.
But what Jerry says shouldn't affect how you perform your job. If it does, your ass gotta go anyway. I don't want to hear it. Stop talking like this. That's crazy rhetoric. If you're gonna let somebody say, oh, you gotta show up and do something, and all of a sudden you fall apart, you ain't gonna do anything anyway.
People pointing the fingers, one thing or another. You get your rear end in there and you play the way you know how to play. We can win the game. We're gonna open it up. We're going to go fast tempo. Defense, get after Jordan Love. You can't give him that much time. You do what you're supposed to do, we'll win this game.
You know, life gets to a point where you have two options in life. You're either going to walk through life happy or you're going to walk through life sad. And every day you wake up, you have the options. You have the ability to choose the right option that fits best for you. Me personally, I'm a young, healthy, black, don't do nothing wrong Christian male that walks through earth every day trying to find peace and happiness. And I thought for one time, I thought for once I had a chance to be freaking happy. You took that from me. You took that from me, balled it up, threw it in my face, and said, absolutely the fuck no. Do you know how that make me feel? Do you really know how that make me feel? I'm hurt. I'm in pain. I'm angry. And I don't even get angry. All my homies and all my brothers that I'm with every day, I don't even get angry to the point where I'm furious. Yeah, I argue with my homies. Yeah, I argue about sports. That's different. That's passion. I'm legit furious. There's no way. There's absolutely no way that I sat in this exact room 12 hours plus hours ago in that exact spot right there in that exact spot and looked at that TV. This TV right here, I looked at with my own two pupils, my own two eyes. I sat here and looked at that TV and watched what y'all call a football game, a Dallas Cowboys playoff football game. Is that what y'all call that shit? Cause there's no way. I've been going to bat for y'all time after time, pick after pick, turnover after turnover, score after score, game after game, loss after loss, season after season. I keep going to bat for y'all. But why? You know, Einstein says the definition of insanity is doing something over and over and over and over. Hold on. And over and over and over again, expecting a different result. I'm insane. By the definition, I am insane and I'm going insane. I expect greatness from this team every year. I've been a part of an organization. I am a part of an organization that expects greatness, that expects to be the top of the top in the world. And we live by that. We bleed that. I don't think I've ever been this mad and looked at a camera like I'm angry. Y'all are America's team. America's team. Y'all are the front four. Y'all are at the front of the National Football League as the representation of America's team. What? 48-16 at one point? Are we joking? Dak, you finished with 400 yards. And I hope you better not be sleeping in that sleep number thinking that you just had the greatest 400 performance ever. Not even close. Not even close. What is wrong with you? Dak, I done went to war for you time after time. Dak, I done went to war for you time after time. Game after game, loss after loss, season after season, conference after conference, press conference after press conference, you name it. I was there. Me. I was there. And I'm tired of it. I'm tired of it, bro. I'm tired. I can't keep doing this. Get this shit off my head, bro. We keep getting this raw ass team. 17 weeks, we keep getting blinded by what y'all do from October to the beginning of January. We keep getting blinded. And I'm tired, bro. You're not going to keep blinding me, bro. I'm tired of it, bro. I promise you I am, bro. This is unacceptable, bro. The Packers, no disrespect to the Packers, they obviously hit on another quarterback that we will be seeing for the next 15 years. They don't have to struggle again for the next 15 years under center. But we haven't been, it's been, bro, I'm not old. I'm young, but I'm not going to give away my age. But just know, I wasn't even alive the last time y'all saw the NFC Championship. I was not here. This room was not a thing. Everything in here about me was not even made yet. I was not even conceived yet. I wasn't even thought of yet. It's not like I was on the way. I'm a shorty. No, I was not even thought of yet, bro. Do you know how crazy that is? And I'm getting up there in age. I'm not the youngest cat, but I'm also not the oldest cat either. I'm getting up there in age. But it's last time y'all made it, I was not even alive, bro. I wasn't alive. How do y'all think that make me feel, bro? I've been rocking with y'all, bro. And that has bit me in the years after year, year after year, year after year, year after year, year after year. Do y'all see the passion that Michael Irvin had in the video? He bleed this shit, bro. He bleed it. Jim Johnson bleeds it. Y'all heard what Michael Irvin said, bro. He was gifted. He was handed championship. They said, match it. Match it. Championship right next to mine. He said, match it. And what did he do? He matched it. He matched it, bro. Nobody wants to match it. It's been 30 years. Nobody want to match it, bro. Nobody wants to match it. It's been 30 years. Nobody want to match it. Match the freaking championship. Put your championship on the table, bro. 17 weeks of perfecting y'all's craft. Just to lose in the first game. Not the second game that we always lose at. The first game. There's nothing else that needs to be said. This franchise is a joke. We're a laughing stock, and we deserve to be. We too raw on paper. On paper, we too raw. But when it come to that field, and when it come to them trenches, y'all some mice. Y'all some mice, bro. Some mice. Some mice, bro. Every Cowboy fan deserves to be freaking heated. This, y'all caused this, bro. All week, we finna get on their ass. We finna do this. We finna do that. And on Jesus Christ, let me stop saying on Jesus Christ, but on my brothers, I told all my brothers, we cannot take these dudes lightly. The Packers are a sneaky good team. We cannot take them lightly. And what we do? What we do? Came out lazy, no energy, discombobulated, with an attitude. CD, you got an attitude. Dak, you not locked in for real. For what? We just threw away 4 months of energy. We just threw away 4 months. Why would y'all sit up there and practice every day, sweat every day, bleed every day in the hot summer, in the fall, in Dallas? I know it's hot. I know it's hot. Y'all practice outside. I know it's hot. Y'all did that for 4 months just to lose it in the first round. Y'all didn't even lose it in the first round. Y'all lost it in the first 7 minutes of the game. The game was over with in the first 7 minutes of the game. You can say, oh, 7 minutes, it was only a 1-score game. Nope. The body language, off. The communication, off. The energy, off. The connections, off. We didn't have a single thing clicking. The only thing that clicked yesterday, the only person that showed up and wanted to win, Jake Ferguson, bro. Jake Ferguson is the only person that wanted to win yesterday. I don't care how you look at it. I don't care how you take that. Jake Ferguson was the only one that wanted to win. How did the Lions break history before us? Us. We the Cowboys. How do the Lions break history before us, bro? I have nothing else to say. I'm done. I'm done, bro. I have nothing else to say, bro. Michael Irvin showed real passion Jim Johnson showed real passion. Y'all don't got that, bro. Y'all don't love the game. Y'all love the game because y'all getting paid. Y'all eating for sure off the game. But y'all don't love the game, bro. Y'all don't love it, bro. Y'all better fix this shit now. Clean house. This shit is ridiculous.